close board door prior to aircraft movement. All customers must be seated with seatbelts fastened. Please make sure your seat bag is upright, your tray table is stowed, your carry-ons are put away. Laptops, devices similar size can be placed underneath the seat in front of you for easy access after takeoff. Additionally, all devices must be unplugged from USB power outlets at this time. We're going to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight. Please report any inappropriate behavior to your in-flight crew members. Thank you. Once again, a very good morning, everybody, and welcome aboard JetBlue Flight 1099 with service to Orlando. My name is Don, and certainly my pleasure to be flying with Miss Susie up front here. You have Shay mid-wing and Miss Michelle in the back. Our captain today is Captain Chris, and he'll be assisted by First Officer Vinny. Captain Chris has advised us that our flight time today is approximately 2 hours and 4 minutes. Your safety is our top priority, so we appreciate a few minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with your safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with all crew member instructions, landing information signs, and posted placards. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap even when the seatbelt sign is off, and every seatbelt is visible to your crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, secure the buckle, and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs while blowing into the tubes on both sides. A locator light on your shoulder will turn on automatically in the water. Never inflate your vest inside this aircraft. This is an Airbus A320, has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window exit, over wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the aircraft and used as a raft. An additional raft is located in your forward storage unit. All your exits are clearly marked with signs overhead, and if necessary, 4-level lighting will illuminate the aisle to help you find your exits. In the event of an emergency, please leave all your personal belongings behind and proceed to your nearest exit. Take a moment now and locate your closest exit. Remember, it might be behind you. If there's a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove your face covering, place your oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band around your head, and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others, and we'll let you know when it's no longer needed. When we pass through the cabin, make sure we're ready for departure. You can help us make sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed, or your carry-on items aren't put away. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes and/or vaporizers, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and could result in a fine. This aircraft has 3 restrooms, 1 in the front of the cabin, 2 in the back. If the changing tables can be found in the forward restroom and 1 of the restrooms in the back. To help avoid crowding in the aisle, please wait at your seat until your restroom is available. We're proud to let you know that this flight is carbon neutral and will be offsetting the CO2 from the fuel used on all of our domestic flights to help reduce the impact on our climate. All of our planes are equipped with free high-speed Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi enabled device, just connect to the Wi-Fi network. Then be sure to type in www.flyfi.com into your window browser. Follow the prompts from there to log in. Thanks to our partnership with Amazon, once you're logged in, you can sign up for a free trial, or you can log into your your Amazon Prime account, where you can start to watch movies, TV shows, music, You can earn TrueBlue points while you shop as a TrueBlue member while in flight. You can also find your entertainment listings on all and other info about today's flight on your FlyFi hub. Please note that the FlyFi signal will not be available outside of our specified coverage area. However, the entertainment content will still be available at the hub at www.flyfi.com. We'll be adjusting main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there's a reading light above your head. We're here to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight. Please report any inappropriate behaviors to your in-flight crew members. We thank you for your attention. We do hope you enjoy your JetBlue experience. We'd also like to offer a warm welcome to all of our Global Save customers. We do appreciate your loyalty and patronage. If there's anything we can do to make your flight a little more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Remember, all flights are non-smoking. This includes vaping and or the use of electronic cigarettes. Please help us keep our planes clean and hand us any items you wish to discard as we pass through the cabin regularly. Please refrain from leaving any hand wipes in the seat back pockets or flushing them down lavatory toilets. At this time, you may use your in-seat power outlets, which are located between your seats, in addition to high-powered USB port located under your seat back screen. Our in-flight service will begin momentarily. On today's flight, we'll be offering bottled water and a limited selection of Pepsi products. These include Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Sierra Mist, ginger ale, seltzer water, tonic water, bottled water, and a limited selection of juices. We'll also have our freshly brewed Dunkin' coffee. Your snack choices today will be popcorners and cheeses. Beer and wine can be purchased with any major debit card or credit card. If you have the JetBlue